Well, it's one of the things that I think too, that if more people knew about that history, they would feel differently about their hair journey. When I was growing up, one of the worst things you could say to somebody is, nappy hair. You nappy headed, whatever. Nappy is not a bad thing to me. It's like, yeah, and what else?
Right.
Curly hair, brown skin. You act like that's a bad thing to say.
Yeah.
That to me is not a negative. I refuse to buy into the ideas that somebody else holds when they are not my ideas. So,
Mhm.
and I think a lot of the feeling that people have around their hair is a feeling of shame. And why wouldn't they have that if that's what we've been taught all this time?
Right.
If we've been taught to be ashamed, to have our hair be unruly in some way, to not have it looking totally good, then we feel shamed about it. And, I refuse to let that happen.